Welcome back. So, I decided to have a look around, and I decided what we really need to do is need to go up to make a steam room, which means we got to let all this water out. So, we're going to put some mesh tiles in here, and that'll let the puke and the contaminated water flow down to here. And then we're going to make down here our new... Oh, overheated. Why are you being overheated? Hang on. I hate this stuff. No, you're just overheated because it's just warm in general and I haven't set up air conditioning yet. See, need air conditioning. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to here and we're going to build our contamination pump right here. Harvest, quick, before anything else rots. Dig you up. Do we need a new dupe? Destructive vomiter. So, no learning. Yeah, I want strength. Reject all. Mesh tile. There and there as well. And let's just dig all that out so we don't have to deal with it. Down here, remove the ladder there. Pump. Plumbing. Pump. Liquid pipe. Just dig that instead. No, liquid pipe. That way. Electrical. Power switch. Okay, I guess I'm putting a power switch there. Wire down to there, across to there, down to there. Are we going to fill up all that? We could fill up all that with contaminated water. Probably won't. Dig that out, that one, and that one, and that one. Yeah, more vomit. So, the idea is this will let our contaminated water out. Meanwhile, ladder, sandstone, straight up. Priority, give that a 6. We want somebody always working on this because we can only go up one at a time. One dupe at a time. Deconstruct you because we're basically out of algae. Because even though I said dig up algae, you guys did a horrible job of it. Our shower system's going fine. Yep. The contaminated water shower is being happy. Although we are having suffocation here, there and everywhere. But more and more mesh tiles will fix that. Mesh tile there, mesh tile there, mesh there, mesh there. Mesh there, mesh there. Dig you two out, dig you two out. Prioritize this lot. And you, and you, and you, and you. And all of you. So, she get the carbon dioxide down here, along with the contaminated water. We need to dig that out to let this water out, which there isn't a lot of, but, you know, it could become an issue. Millwood seed! Millwood seed. Mealwood seed. And... oh, that's our problem. If this lot sits in contaminated water, they get too hot. Don't know why, because the water's much cooler. Where are we? Contaminated water, 34. 33. No. Okay. As soon as these mesh tiles go down, they won't have an issue. We're still going up. We're going to punch that in a minute. It's going to make a mess right down the middle. 6. Let's do that. Right way across. Deconstruct. Oh, nighttime again. I spend so long sleeping. That's why I don't like sleeping. Sleeping is just a waste of time. Millwood. Dig up. I've run out of room. Run out of room for more plants. I need more room for more plants. Deconstruct you as well. We're like 2 tiles away. That's going to make a flooding of crap water. Might not have crap in it, but it'll certainly seem like it. Yeah, see now it's sitting on these tiles. We're going to have to build a death ladder. You, and you. And dig that out. Oh, so close. What are you building out of? Build out of sandstone. Oh, look at it come. Whoa. Well, that's the quickest way to empty him. Straight through the middle. Yes, that was not enough room. At all. And they're still vomiting everywhere, which is just making it worse. But it's alright, we'll get there. We will get there. 1 tile at a time. Alright. So. This seems about as good a spot as any to build our steam room. Nice and high. And we want a ginormous chunk of space. Alright, can we get any bleach stone whilst we're here? There isn't any. Bleach stone. That's our closest bleach stone. Ah, bugger it. Okay, backed up here, let's just dig out about that much space. Which will take them forever. Just about. You go up to there. And then we go... you. And we reach 2 tiles. So 2 tiles plus 2 tiles equals 4 tiles. And if you leave a 4 tile gap, they'll climb up the next ladder and make a bigger hole. And then it looks like we're going to be that much short. Yep, that should be enough. Then we fill this whole thing with batteries and lots of insulated tiles. And pump contaminated water up. Let it turn to steam. Pump the steam back down. Cool the water down. And hopefully, we can make a nice steam loop, which will give us some nice cool water. What's wrong with you? See, they're sitting on contaminated water because these two are full. We need them to jump along here and get rid of these 2 tiles. And then they'll be fine. Yep. Mesh tile all the way along. Yep, that's going to keep filling up as long as I keep puking in it. Plumbing, liquid pipe up higher, just so you're easier to get to. You guys will keep strip mining. Sandstone. I wonder if... Okay, coal. Wondering if... hardness, properties... Heat capacity 2, thermal conductivity 2, sandstone. Thermal conductivity 2.9, heat capacity 0.8. So you're more insulating obsidian than sandstone, and you hold less heat. What other options do we have? Granite and rock. Granite! You hold as much heat and you're even more thermally conductive. We want low, so maybe obsidian. Maybe if we build it out of obsidian, which we don't have a lot of. Yeah, it's not going to work. We don't have enough of it. Alright, worth an idea. Printer. We have you. Nope. Or you, +1 strength. Yep, reject all. Go away. We're doing alright. Why are you too upset? It can't be that you have dirt right there. Oh, we found some algae. You two are now running again. Alright, we got room for one more. We're pre-set up for one more. So, the next time round, if we got somebody half decent, I'll take them. We're out of coal. That's a problem. That's a bit of a problem. Your coal, your coal, your coal? Can't reach it. Be about right. Oh, we let some get down here. If I build there and there, then dig that out, and then put a ladder down. It just needs a little lip, just to stop them. Put a mesh tile there. Just to stop the puke falling in. Have the puke go this way instead. Your coal. Your coal. Yeah, also let the carbon dioxide bleed out. Harvest. Oh, we found more coal, did we? We found a heap more coal. Oh, you're now hovering on nothing. Alright, I'll fix that. Strip mining's going alright. We do need a slime factory. Food's going great. Alright, where to build a slime factory? So we have two choices. We can either build a slime factory and have it just dump its contaminated water into here, or we can have a slime factory that makes clean water that then pumps it into this spot, so we can actually use it to make oxygen. Hard choices. Really wish this stuff would flow. Alright, let's do... First off, how big is our slime factory? Big. Well, you're not going down there, obviously. And you're going to create heat, which is going to lead to other problems. Whack it there. Plummet down underneath here. I'm definitely going to want more than one of them. Even though they're so inefficient. Need to be able to put larger chunks of slime in them. Not just like 100 grams at a time. I want to put 50 kilos in. Oh, you ate something. But you did poop out coal. Oh, the number 9. Yep, no, number 9's working now. You're eating fertilizer. Okay. Do we have fertilizer? Organic. Fertilizer! That can go in there as well. Okay. So let's do mesh tiles across, dig that out, put a couple of slime factories up here. We put them up here. Put them up here, come that way, plummet down that way. Yeah. Dig up. You can't reach your roof, can you? Not really. Mesh tile. Oh, we got batteries up here. Actually, why not just right there? Done. Refineries. Biodistillery. One there, one there, one there. 3 of them. Plumbing. Oops. Can't draw straight lines. I can't draw straight lines. Plumbing there. Where are we? Refinery, biodistiller. Power. Power switch. Right there. Electrical wire. Up the elevator, cross down. Through all 3. Back to plumbing. Then across, then down and underneath, and then, see, straight lines. Can't do them. Straight to there, and we'll bring it across a little bit, and then put our liquid vent in. Harvest you 2 whilst we're here. Now, you're going to knock U tile out, so you become a mesh tile, and you become a mesh tile. Yep. And then we're going to need some more mesh tiles to reach everything else. Okie dokie. Yeah, I don't know how much slime it uses, but to algae, but it's so inefficient. It's not funny. It's really bad. Alright, new harvest those. Oh, I removed the thingy so I can put in another one of them. Okay, bit of planning. So if we priority 1, if we let's start at this. No, let's start here. So if we double insulate it, then we put in a battery which is too high. Then we put in a floor, then a battery that's too high, another floor, battery that's too high, another floor, battery that's too high, and that leaves us just enough room to double insulate the top. Yes. And then we'll have a bit sticking out the top, right in the middle, for where our gas pump goes to pump out our steam. So we're going to put a gas pump plus an air filter. So steam gets pumped out. Everything else either gets pumped back in or maybe we'll pump it out. Not sure. We still need to put it in the air conditioner. Haven't done that yet. Coal sweep. You're not running. Yeah, we're now producing power and not using it, basically. Yeah, you're mostly full. Oh, somebody else is being sick everywhere. Look at it just drip down. How gross. So gross. So gross. But that is the name of the game. Be as gross as possible, right? Okay, so we just need these done. Oh! I said, if it's a decent vomiter, we'll take him. And they're all destructive. Reject all. You can deconstruct, because you're only ever going to have enough energy to feed one of you at a time now. Harvest all those. Come on, so close, so close. We just hook up that plumbing and then these can run even though they have no slime. So now we need to dig out this, because there's slime everywhere. You're actually seeing water. Don't know how that happened. Oh, see? You're up to sleep. Step to contaminated water. Grimy, dirty hands, and holding breath. You're doing well. So what is going right for you? Nothing. I think Sprint just farted and followed through for that extra level of gross. Actually... So, one of the big problems in this game, and it's still alpha, we all know that, so it's still very early alpha, is stuff goes missing entirely. So, if you just put a mesh over a gas tile, the little bit of copper you use to make the mesh tile to start with disappears into the ether, and then you put down more to make your mesh tile. So deconstruct and rebuild is definitely the name of the game. Same with gas pipes and water pipes. If these ever fill up and back up, like this one is currently, water's just disappearing into there somewhere. Right? And there's nothing you can do about it. It's just the maths are not quite calculating perfectly yet. There and there. Okay, that'll do us for the mesh tiles. We need to go get this done. Priority. Like 6. The whole lot. Especially across, because if you knock out these, they'll fall on you. Priority 1. Let's do those really, really low priority. Alright, well, I might end the episode right here with people puking down the stairwell and out of the shower. And I did call it vomit, Phil. That was your indication that it was going to be bad. But yeah, I might call it for this episode. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Maybe after we've got this hollowed out and all the water drained and this probably overflowing at the rate we're going. But thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you can see me make a fool of myself again shortly. And I will I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to, as I said, give me some names. Give me some names, because we're about to take on our 7th one. I need some names, because we've already seen that I am far from ingenious when it comes to naming my little dupes. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.